improve. Let me say that again. What you measure and what you monitor, improve. When you measure how you did on goals this week, when you measure that means you're monitoring it. When you're monitoring, what you measure and you monitor will improve. But you got to measure it and monitor it. And when you measure it and monitor it, what you're doing is you're saying, okay, I did all 3 each day. And if you did, amen. You're becoming mentally an adult. If you didn't, now you got to write down, why didn't I? And then you got to write down, what am I going to do differently next week? That's monitoring. The measuring is, did I do it? And you got to measure it every week. And then the second part, you got to monitor it every week. Why didn't I do it? And what am I going to do differently? Now here's a question for the week. Who do you love? Okay, what do you love? Let's go back a second. What are you committed to? Well, maybe for some of you that may be your cell phone. Number 2, what are you willing to risk? And number 3, what is it that you love enough that will change your behavior? Commitment, risk, and behavior. Look at all 3 of them and write down something today, just to yourself, not anybody else. Write down who you think you love. And write down what your commitment is, what your risk is, and how it changed your behavior. And then take a moment and write down what you love. And do the same thing. Where do you see commitment? What are you risking? And how does it change your behavior? When you do that, you develop loving. When you develop the quality of loving, you'll be the best you that you can